Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. So, if you ever dreamed of working at Zoho, one of India's top tech companies, then you are in a right place. Because today I am going to break down everything you need to know to get selected at Zoho. And trust me, guys, I am not just going to give you a quick overview. We are going to cover it all like Zoho's background, eligibility criteria to get selected Zoho, the entire interview process of Zoho, and salary details, and even some insider tips that can actually give you an edge. Okay. Oh, and before I forget, I also created a free Jogo preparation kit for you guys, which I to explain at the end of the video. So make sure you watch till at very end. Okay. All right. Let's get into the video. Okay. First thing first. Let's quickly talk about Jogo Asana company. Jogo was founded way back in 1996 by Sridhar Vembu and Tony Thomas, but back then it was called as an Advanced Network International, okay, and it is actually based in New Jersey at USA. Later in 2009, they rebranded it to the Jogo Corporation and shifted their headquarters to the Chennai, India. Now that's interesting because it shows Jogo was globally minded, but the same time it believes building something truly from India. Jogo did not start as a Jain SaaS company we know today. Initially, it was started as just a network management company, but now they are competing with the global giants like Microsoft and Salesforce. Pretty impressed, right? I will tell some of the key products they have. Okay, so Jogo CRM for customer relationship management, Jogo Mail, Jogo Desk, Jogo Office Suite, and also they have a Jogo Books. Okay, and the cool thing is Jogo builds all of this in India and it is used all over the world. Okay, so it's a place where you can really learn global standards without leaving India. Okay, now we can see what is the eligibility criteria to get into Jogo. Alright, move on. Let's talk about who can apply. So if you are planning to apply at Jogo, here what you need to keep in mind, you should have a minimum 60% of marks in your academics or 6.5 GPA. Okay, so you should have a no backlog. Okay, you should not have a no active backlog. Jogo is very strict about it. Okay, so when the time of interview you should not have any active backlogs. So after that like backlogs means res. Okay guys, so next at the same time your college must be recognized by the state or central government. And here very important point, if you didn't clear the interview in your very first attempt, don't worry at all. Jogo allow you to reapply after 6 months. So it's really about the preparation and the persistence. Okay. So next we are going to see how can we apply. Okay. What is the application process and all, like how we can get it know the openings at Jogo. So honestly, it's very simple. You can apply through Jogo career pages. Just check the latest opening and apply directly. So the second thing is LinkedIn. Okay. Jogo often post job there, so keep an eye on their official pages. So I will give you one pro tip. Okay, follow Jogo on all the social media pages like LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and all. Okay, and also you just need to follow the HRs and senior managers who are working at Jogo, because if they have any opening at their team, they can directly post into their account in LinkedIn and all. Okay, so next we are going to see what is the interview process at Jogo. Okay, so now I know all the people who are watching this video are very curious about the interview process at Jogo, right? So Jogo recruitment process have 5 main stages. First one is aptitude and programming round, second one is programming round, third round is the advanced programming round, and the fourth one is technical HR round, and the final one is HR round. Okay, and don't worry, I had to explain each one step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Okay, yes, next we are going to see what is the first round of Jogo interview process. So first round is aptitude plus programming round. Okay, so you guys need to think it as a first filter. Okay, they want to see if you have a basic programming knowledge or not. Okay, so mostly this round will take around 90 minutes and it has around 30 questions. Okay, so yeah, about half of them is a quantitative aptitude like aptitude questions and logical reasoning, and the other of like 15 questions from the programming basis. Okay, here the questions will be asked from the C programming only. Okay, so I will give you the I will give you the topics also. Okay, so you should be focused on this topics if you are going to attend the Jogo interview. So quantitative topics, I can give you the average, percentage, ratios, time and work, time, speed, distance, profit and loss, probability, and data sufficiency and all. So in terms of programming topics, usually they will ask the basic of C or else C++. Okay, mostly they will ask from the C programming language only. And also you should have a knowledge about loops, pointers, array. I know pointers and all is the advanced topic, but if you want to clear the whole process of the interview, you should have an idea about it. Okay, so next we are going to see what is the second round of Jogo interview process, which is the basic programming round. Okay, so in terms of Jogo interview, we can call round 2 as a basic programming round only. So here Jogo test how well you know code in a real time. Okay, you may do it in online via Jogo Meet or in person, and yes, they to ask you share the screen and write the code live. Okay, so here they will give you some like a two or three problem statement, and you need to write the logic about it in terms of code. Okay, so topics to focus on this round is strings, array, loops, matrices, pointers, and simple data structure. Okay, so I tell you one thing, here if you are more well known person in terms of Java and all, there is no problem, you can clear that problem statement in terms of Java as well as. Okay, so C is a basic of first round. Okay, they mostly will ask that choose the best answer in terms of C only. But in terms of second round, third round and all, if you are strong in Java and all, you can write the coding in terms of Java only, but they will not allow you to write in Python. Okay, so I can give you one small tip to clear the second round. Okay, don't just memorize the codes, trying to understand the logic behind it. Okay, practice writing code without an IDE, because some rounds may not give you the auto complete help. Okay, yeah. So next we are going to see the third round of Jogo interview process, which is called as an advanced programming round. This is where it get interesting and sometimes tricky. Okay, you may ask to solve some complex algorithmic problems, build a mini project like a ticket booking system, employee management system, or a mail server and all. Okay, so here it is kind of, they will give you one small mini project topic, you need to clear it in within the time period. Okay, if you know very well in terms of database authentication or DevOps basis, it will help you a lot. Okay, mostly for this round Jogo will give you the 90 minutes, and the good news, if you clear this round, your selection is almost guaranteed. Jogo mainly want to ensure you are really skilled and can handle the real work scenarios. Okay, yeah. So next we are going to see the round 4, which is called as a technical HR round. So this is not a HR you fear, this is more about the technical depth. Okay, they to ask the questions like DBMS, database management system, operating system, computer networks, and also they can ask the questions from the logical puzzles, and some they will give some tricky scenario questions, and they may expect a solution from you. Okay, and mostly in this round they will ask about your final year project and details on anything mentioned in the resumes. Okay, so before getting to this round, if you are selected shortlisted from the second round for the third round, so you should be having a very good idea about your final year project. Okay, I will give you one small tip about this round. Okay, be confident about your resume. If you wrote it, you should be able to explain everything in detail. Okay, don't bluff, it may backfire here. Okay, so the final we are going to see what is the HR round. Okay, so this is where like it's very simple and normal round only. Here they will check your personality, interest in Jogo, and preferred location and career goals. Okay, here I can give you one small tip for this round. Okay, so most of the HR wants to in this round to know about your natural and honesty. Okay, so here you need to show your genuine passion for this company. Okay, don't just say what you think they want to hear. Okay, mostly Jogo hire people who are excited to grow with the company, not just to chase a salary. Yeah, next we are going to see what is the salary package at Jogo. For a fresher and entry level roles, Jogo offer around 4.5 LPA. For advanced or skilled roles, it can go up to 6 LPA or more, depend upon your performance. Okay, and beyond salary, Jogo provides friendly work culture and amazing learning opportunity. Honestly, that's sometimes even more valuable than a paycheck. Okay, next I am going to give you the tips to crack a Jogo. Okay, Before we wrap up, here are some final tips to help you crack Jogo. Practice coding every single day. Why I am telling practice coding every single day in the terms like for a first round, yeah, you can clear if you have a basic idea about the programming. Okay, second round and third round. So mostly here it is you should show your speed as well as okay. For example, in the second round they will give you the three problem statement. At least you need to complete two, okay, within this 1.5 hours. So for that you should have the speed as well as okay, and focus on logic, not memorize. Okay, if you just memorize, I am sure about it, you can't crack this interview at all. Okay, prepare C language throughoutly. Okay, because in terms if you are very new to the system, like if you are going to if you don't have any idea about it to crack this interview and all means, you can start from C language only. And the last tip is I can give it to the common like stay calm and confident during the interview. Consistency is a key. If you do this, Jogo is definitely within your reach. Okay, next I'm going to tell you something special. Okay, I have created free Jogo preparation kit just for you guys. So it includes the practice question, important aptitude problems, and the interview guidance and tip and all. Okay, all you need to do is fill out the Google form in the description which I give, and you to get in a free kit instantly through your mail. Okay, and so don't wait, start preparing today and move one step closer to your dream job at Jogo. So that is for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you have any question about Jogo interview and all. I read all your comments and will try to help you out. Thanks for watching guys. Keep learning, stay consistent, and I to see you in the next video. Thank you.